Cloudinary allows you to combine more than one video together. So here I have an elephant and a cheetah that I want to combine into a single video. And they have this thing called the splice transformation. The problem with the splice transformation is that as soon as one clip ends, another one begins. So if we see this in practice right now, if I run this script here and combine them together and open it up, you'll see in a second that the next clip immediately plays. But Cloudinary actually offers ways to do transitions, such as fade in. So let's see how we can do that by setting a custom duration, and then I can talk more about the options that Cloudinary offers. So back into the code here, we're going to edit our flag here. So we're going to have splice still, but then we're going to add transition and then underscore name fade. And then we're going to set the duration. So here I'm going to set the duration to 2 to allow for a 2-second transformation, and everything else stays the same. So if we run this again, we should get a better looking video now. So if I click this and open it up, wait for it to load, and we hit play, you can see now that they fade in and it takes about 2 seconds from one video to the other. But Cloudinary actually offers a bunch of different versions of your transitions. So if we actually head to the docs, you can see this. So we use the fade in, but we could also do a wipe left. So let's generate this video and watch this play out. And if one of the transitions available isn't good enough for you, you can actually do custom transformations, which is documented here. Next up, learn how to automatically tag images with AI.